this is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the Multimedia Crafts Digital Blog Challenge. And this month for the July is vacation theme, and there were a slew of colors like yellow, white, orange, red, blue, beige, and brown that you could choose from. So mine, I used pretty much all the above, all those colors, because you have to choose between 3 of the prompts, and in this case it was just colors, so I used pretty much all those colors. And my project, I'm calling it Summer in the City, because I used 3 of the digital kits that I'm a part of a collaboration of. We call ourselves the Crafty Trinity, and each of us, myself, Sonya, and the fabulous Pham from Livie's Lovelies, and Thelisha from Where Baking and Crafting Meet, we all created a summer themed urban styles in the city kit called Summer in the City. And so I used it in my project along with the Multimedia Crafts Digital blog freebie, which is called Summer. No, it's the July 22 ephemera sheet. That's the blog freebie. And then the Multimedia Crafts Digital Facebook freebie is called Summer. And I use all of those kits, those 2 freebie kits from the Facebook group or Facebook page and the blog, as well as the 3 different Summer in the City digital kits that are part of the Crafty Trinity collab. And I'll have links in the description for how you can access all of these. So basically, just to kind of give you a background of how the 3 of us ladies, myself, Thelisha, and Pham, how we came up with the digitals. We all kind of reminisced when we were kids. And for me, growing up, I was born in Washington, D.C., but my parents moved to North Carolina when I was a kid, like a toddler. And so whenever we would go visit my grandparents and cousins and people up there, I was always fascinated with like the landscape, because compared to the country, especially way back in like the 70s and 80s, compared to like, you know, the city, everything was completely different. You know, you had your skyscrapers, you had different styles of fashion, everything was just the fast lane. And then my grandmother used to stay across the street from an elementary school, so sometimes me and my cousins would go over there and we'd play on the swings and on the playground, and some of the neighboring kids would bring a jump rope, and all of us would play double dutch, which I'm not good at double dutch, I'm good at the single jump rope, but we would still get in there and try to do it anyway. And we would all chant to like different things, or bubblegum in a dish, how many pieces do you wish? There was always little rhymes and stuff that would go with it, and it's just little things like that that reminded me of the city. And then the different things on vacation we did, it's just Summer in the City. So let me just show you this right here. So Summer, this right here is from what Thelisha made. This one's from her Summer in the City kit. And I made it into a pocket, and what I did was I reduced, when I printed it out, I printed it out at like a much smaller size because it's really a bigger image. So I set my printer settings to like, I want to say at like 45% or something like that. So I printed it out, made a pocket, and then here's a tag, and this tag came from the blog freebie, the Multimedia Crafts Digital blog freebie, that has the envelope with it, and then this little what do you call it, stamp. Pham made that. That's from her Summer in the City kit. And then you have a pocket here, and then this is just some vellum, and then I cut these out. These are also from the July 22 ephemera sheet on the blog, the Multimedia Crafts Digital blog. And so I cut that out. And then this cute little flower right here, it's from Livie's Lovelies, from Pham. So this opens up, and then this paper, this background paper, it's from the summer kit on the Facebook freebie, on Multimedia Crafts Digital Facebook freebie. So I made like an accordion style journal, kinda, sorta. Okay, so this is the front, and then it opens up. And then you've got a little pocket here. And then you've got like the little grill. And this is from Pham's kit. And it reminds me of, once again, when we were a kid, we have a big family. And whenever we would go to DC, we always had a cookout. Almost every time we went to go visit, someone was cooking out, and we had a lot of food. Everyone would eat. The adults would tell the kids to go on outside and play, while some of them played cards and did a little drinking or whatever, you know. And then we pretty much stay outside and play for a little while, and then finally come on in. But yeah, that just reminds me of the fun smells of the food, the music, the fun in the air and the sun. It was so much fun when I was a kid. And then here's a little tag. And this is from my digital kit, the Summer in the City digital kit. And let's see, this little barbecue sign, that's also from Pham. And then these cute little flip-flops are from Pham. And these two buttons are from mine. And then this page is a page from my Summer in the City kit. And so let me flip it. And there's some journaling space. Let me just flip that. And then you have like a little pocket right here. And then you have a pocket right here. This is actually more like a tuck spot. And then this is actually a pocket. And I'm just using some graphic 45 paper here. And then this little button and this traffic comes from I think both of these are from the Summer in the City digital kit. My Summer in the City digital kit on my Etsy shop, Multimedia Crafts Digital Etsy shop. Then I did some stamping. Then I have this. This one is just like a piece of ephemera from my Summer in the City kit. You have a little pocket here. And then this is also a pocket. And then this blue paper is from the Summer blog freebie on Facebook. And this flips over. And then there's another piece of that same paper from the blog freebie. And then you have some graphic 45 that I just fussy cut out of this like skyscraper building. And here's a digital card from my Summer in the City. And then I did some stamping. And then it's going to flip over like this. And then you've got a pocket here. And then this right here is, I hand drew and painted that and this. And these are part of my digital kit, as well as this arrow. And then the concrete jungle word. That's also from my Summer in the City digital kit. And this little watermelon, this is from Pham's Summer in the City digital kit. And then you come on over here. This cute little piece of candy wrapper, or candy, Thelisha did that. She hand drew and painted that from her Summer in the City kit. This butterfly is from Pham's Summer in the City kit. And then you have this envelope. And this envelope is the freebie that's on the Multimedia Crafts Digital blog. And then you have a little card, a little journal card. This one's from my Summer in the City kit. And this is going to flip over like so. And then that's pretty much it. So let me just kind of open this up. I think I got it turned the right way. So this is what it looks like from this angle. Let me back up just a little bit so you can see it all. And then if you flip it over, it looks like this. I didn't show you that, or did I? I think I skipped this some kind of a way. Yeah, this is a pocket right here. And this right here comes from my Summer in the City digital kit, as well as the row houses. Now this ticket comes from Pham's Summer in the City. This is from my Summer in the City. And then this yellow page is also from the summer Facebook freebie, as well as the word travel. And then this opens up, so, and you've seen this part already. But then also I forgot that we had these pockets right here. So this comes out, and this is like a journaling spot. And I just took a piece of paper, 60-pound cardstock, cut it and distressed it with some blue Distress Oxide ink. And then these papers are from Thelisha's kit, from her Summer in the City. This is one of her journal pages that I just kind of cut. And then I just added it on here. So let me put this one back in this pocket. And then I did the same thing with this one. And this one is from Pham's Summer in the City. And this, as well as this beautiful flower. And then you have some journaling space. And you flip it over and you've got the same, some journaling space. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to participate in the blog, please do. And I'll have a link in the description of how you can access it and get your prompts. And if you wanted to, you can go ahead and print out the whole entire yearly blog challenge, so you'll know from month to month what the theme is and what types of materials to use or what your prompts are. And be sure to go check out the other ladies of the Crafty Trinity and check out their digital kits, Summer in the City. One is Pham, Livie's Lovelies, and the other is Thelisha, We're Baking and Crafting Me. And like I said, I will have links in the description to their YouTube channels and to their shops, their stores. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos and my social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.